Hi, John. Um, I'm not able to process the CME for the webinar that we had today because of this problem, which I'm going to show you. First step is I have to go to events to set the accreditors, and when I click on events, I get nothing. Can wait here forever and nothing's showing up. So I'm not able to set the three accreditors for this event. So I'm not, uh, actually, I guess I could download the attendee list. I just can't issue the certificates yet. Um, so that's, I mean, I can go back here and I can go to the event. Um, which is here, and go to that event and process this, but I haven't set the accreditors yet. I think actually I can do this, so I'm going to do this after I finish this. But anyhow, you're going to get this tomorrow morning when you wake up, and can you try to fix that for me? Thanks.